Craving something crunchy on keto? Most snacks kick you out of ketosis. Here are the best keto crackers you'll love: crispy, low-carb, and guilt-free. Best keto crackers you must know. Explore a variety of keto crackers that are both delicious and healthy. These crackers are perfect for those following a ketogenic lifestyle, offering a low-carb alternative to traditional snacks. Low carb, perfect for maintaining a low-carb diet, helping to keep your body in a state of ketosis. High fat provides essential fats that are crucial for energy in a ketogenic diet.